Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, September the 1st, first day in the month 2021. We have here three regular Sudokus. Sudoku Binary, Sudoku Medium, and a Sudoku Mix, aka Killer Sudoku. And in this newspaper, there is also an additional with extra sudokus and puzzles. I believe there are six today, and half of them I will solve. So total are six, three regular sudokus and three sudokus I will solve in the additional. So a lot of sudokus to solve today. So the first one I will solve is a Sudoku binary. Binary for you, yes, boys and girls. A number 3327. 3327. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. This is number 5. Alright. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Alright. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here. Oh, wait. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let me see. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know between a 1 and an O with two empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, the second one, the third O, fourth O, and the fifth O. So those two boxes should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Then double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Yeah. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. 4 ones. I cannot place the fifth one here, otherwise we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this should be an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. The fifth one, so this should be an O. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Okay. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finished in 6 minutes. Alright, great. Binary, I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second regular Sudoku. It will be a medium Sudoku, a classical one. Yes. See you then. Bye-bye for now.